The M badge, a symbol of relentless performance and German engineering precision. But in 2026, the BMW M4 G82 doesn't just evolve, it pushes boundaries like never before. Sharper. Faster. Smarter. This isn't just an update, it's a high-octane statement from Bavaria's finest. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 BMW M4 G82, from its aggressive new look, to the tech-filled interior, and the monstrous engine that dares rivals to keep up. Right away, the refreshed M4 G82 commands attention. Still unmistakably M, but now infused with 2026 attitude. The kidney grille is leaner, more angular, and framed by new adaptive laser plus headlights that give it a fierce glare. Carbon fiber accents stretch from the front splitter to the rear diffuser, while the new forged wheels, up to 21 inches, are lighter and meaner than ever. And BMW's individual program is going all out, with colors that make this M4 pop on the street and the circuit. Inside, it's equal parts racetrack and tech lounge. BMW's curved display now spans across the dash, seamlessly merging your digital cluster and infotainment in one ultra-wide screen. iDrive 9 debuts with faster response, voice assistant improvements, and M-exclusive performance telemetry for those track days. The M carbon buckets return, sculpted for the track, but surprisingly comfortable for daily drives. Carbon fiber, red stitching, and an Alcantara headliner remind you this is no ordinary 4 Series. Of course, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 3D head-up display are standard. And yes, you can match your ambient lighting to your drive mode. And here's where the 2026 M4 really pushes. Under the hood, the legendary S58 inline-6 remains, but now it's assisted by a 48V mild hybrid system for sharper throttle response and better efficiency. Output jumps to 540 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60. Just 3.3 seconds with xDrive, and yes, you can still get it with a 6-speed manual in the RWD version. BMW's xDrive is smarter, sharper, and can now fully disengage the front axle on command. Activate drift mode, and this beast becomes a sideways machine. The 2026 BMW M4 G82 doesn't follow trends, it pushes them. With bold styling, brainy tech, and brawny power, it proves that the M spirit is alive, evolving, and still screaming down the Autobahn at 7,200 RPM. So, is the new M4 everything an enthusiast dreams of, or is it too high-tech for its own good? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more high-performance reviews, deep dives, and the latest in car culture.